Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to Choices. This is a channel where I create weekly IronCondors or strangles. Please understand that these are not trade recommendations and these are not even for learning purposes. The only reason I'm creating these videos is to share my trading journey with you all. I'm just trying to share the response of a non-directional strategy with everyone around here to see if these kind of strategies can be useful in creating small but consistent revenue over a period of time. I'm also trying to understand if these strategies can be how low effort or how stress free or how automated these kind of strategies can be turned into. All right, so looking at the Nifty graph today, Nifty kind of tanked, then tried to recover, and then it tanked again, right? So it was a very confusing day. Probably the option buyers, some option buyers who might have bought put would have benefited, but then after that, I believe after 11:50, it 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 must have been very confusing for option buyers. But then again, who would have bought put would have made big money, right? All right, let's jump to Sensibull to see if I made a profit of the day. All right, so I made a profit of around 7,339 today, which is a pretty big amount considering my only aim is to make around 800 to 1600 rupees profit per day. But then again, because of the movement of the markets, I was able to make this profit. But then this is a bad sign for the next trading day, because on the next trading day I'm seeing a big loss, right? So it might kind of reduce my overall P&L. But then again, let's see what happens. I'm hoping on Monday I'll be getting the benefit of theta decay, right? And on both the put and call leg. Plus, if the market opens gap up or gap down, then again at least one of the leg is going to give me profit and the other one might increase the loss. But this time I've also bought hedges against each of the sold legs, so the loss would not be a lot, right? The hedges are very close to the sold legs because I just didn't want to take a lot of uh, risk this time, because I'm not really sure what is going to happen in the market today, considering the market is very volatile with the India Pakistan scenario going on. It might, nobody really knows how it might turn out to be, right? So yeah, that is how it is. How many trades were taken? If you see the execution log, it is pretty messed up. I mean, it's a very big execution log, right? And the contract note to see how many brokerage. So I'm paying around 731 rupees in brokerage. There are a few. There were a few moments in during the day when I kind of lost my psychology, and then I took extra trades without, and they just kept on giving me losses, right? So for example, this one 24050, I sold it, then I bought it, then I again sold it, then I again bought it. The same amount, the same thing kept on giving me. Uh, it just kept on giving me losses, um, and especially the brokerage charge that I had to pay for this. See again, 24050. Not really sure what I was doing. So this 24050 is here as well. How many times did I take the 24050? Quite a number of times, right? So yeah, overall it's a good day considering I made good amount, but the brokerage charges need to be, I need to work on my brokerage charges, right? Because I'm paying a lot of brokerage charges. Okay, so that was it. Let's look at the current scenario here. If I select the current sold legs, let's see how it's looking on the payoff graph. Is look kind of taking the shape of an iron butterfly, and in fact the call leg kind of take the call leg is not really looking good. It's already breaching the call leg almost, right? And put leg is also not very far away, just 189 points away. um, so people do like to trade in iron butterflies, but not me. I don't really like iron butterflies because there's a lot of adjustments and a lot of stress and work around those. But yes, it's true. Like if the iron condor, if it ends between the range, then it really gives a very big profit. But then again, if it does not, then there is no not much profit in it. Okay, let's go back. I'll just also select the hedges here to see the graph once again. Mm. So if we select the hedges as well, the losses are not unlimited now. The losses have been reduced. So this is a fixed amount of loss that I will get by the end of expiry, right? Which is fine. But then again, probably on Monday, if due to that theta decay, I'll not be seeing this scenario. I'll be seeing some good. I'm hoping that I'll be seeing some profits. I'm not really sure. This is a very risky scenario that I've put myself into. I've not really done this before. I'm not really comfortable with dealing with these kind of sold legs, which are so close to each other. I usually end my iron condor if it reaches to this stage, or I move my legs away, book the profits on both the legs, and move the legs away. But in this scenario, both the legs throughout the day were kind of giving me losses. I was unable to move the legs away from each other, and that's why I had to put myself in this scenario. If we take the hedges as well in consideration, then it's a very delta neutral iron condor. Um, the total delta is 0.02. But then again, um, let's see how it plays out on Monday. I'm hoping I'll be getting some good theta decay on Friday, I believe. Not really sure if it's Friday when it's not really how many days are left for the expiry. Um, so I don't think it's a full week expiry, right? There is a holiday coming. So probably I'll be getting the benefit of that theta decay as well if the market considers that and the options dissolve faster, considering there is going to be a holiday coming. So that would be great for me, right? So this is it. This is the current scenario. These, yeah. So these two are the main sold legs here. Then these are hedges, 75, 75. This is a far off OTM hedge that I just buy to get some margin. This one as well. This is an extra put leg that I've sold because I was thinking that the market might drop up to this level, so I just bought this. I just sold this um, put leg here, which is 23,200. But looking at the market today, anything can happen. This might also start giving me losses, but let's see how it plays out on Monday, right? Overall, the market, I believe it's in a positive trend, so these two put legs should not really give me a lot of loss, but let's see. I Nobody can really predict the market. It's a waste of time predicting the market. That's why I don't believe in any kind of OI data, support and resistance, technical indicators, chart patterns. I don't really think these kind of things, these strategies or these you know mm, indicators really work. It's just the money goes in, money goes out. That is what moves the chart. So yeah, we just have to deal with it. All right, do let me know if how was your trading day, if you were able to make any profits or loss today. If you have any suggestions for my strategy, do let me know. I'm open to suggestions. Comment on the video if you have anything to say about the video. um, all right, that was it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe the channel if you like the videos, if you want to see if these kind of non-directional strategy, how these non-directional strategies play out in the long run. All right, thank you.